Hello, it's Mr. Chubby Mudhead. I am a baby and in the night I have milk. Oh, milk just fit for me. I go away from home and I have no milk. OMG, no milk. Wah wah, but I found some dirty milk. Oh, milk in the street, huh, jerk. Well, that's my milk. Give it back or I'm gonna punch ya. Well, I ain't giving it back. Nah, go cry for your milk. Bro, get your sister to get your milk. I'm an evil person to you. Ha ha, baby. Wah, sister, he took my milk. I don't care less. Bro, now shut up and pick up your girlfriend for your date tonight. Ha. I hate you. You're the worst sister ever, you jerk. Wah, curse you, sis. You careless bro, you say that to me, how dare ya? Oh, I don't care about you, this sticks town. Jow that sister. Rude brother, ARNTU, haha.